Hey there, this is how you create a Pinterest group board. You go onto Pinterest, you click create, you go down to board, you name your board, whatever name you want, really. We're just going to do Pinterest for dummies, dummies group board. You add collaborators. Let's add these people here. Do, 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 do. And then you wait for them to accept. You created your board, Pinterest for Dummies. And you want to put pins in there. More pins you can put in there, the better. And you check it out. Now, if you want to add a description, you can describe it as this board. Say this for this description is this board is for people that want to find out more about how to use Pinterest. There we go. Add a topic. Boom. Topic, education. Yep, education's right there. People can request to join. Collaborators. Let's let them add more people. Show pins inspired by this board and merge board, archive board, delete board. Done. Now you want to go more ideas. You can put more ideas. You want to add, you search your ideas. Look at all these golfing pins. Oh. Well, you just scroll down through ideas here, and you see what you want to add, and then you could add a bunch, and the feed will work for itself.